Hi everyone. Today we will discuss about Google Dorking operators or Google operators. How to use Google operators, how to how to get advantage Google operators from Google. Okay. Google Dorking, as known as Google search, is a technique that utilizes advanced search operators to uncover information on the internet that may not be readily available through standard search queries. Google Dorking advanced search operators to refine a pinpoint search result. Google operator can get a pinpoint search result from Google. What you need? Suppose you need a URL site, more and more URL available in Google, but you need a specified site. How can you get it? You easily get it from Google operators. Okay, more and more Google operators are available. So we are discussing about some regular uses operators which you can need every time, every search. Okay, so some Google operators are available here in URL, in text, in title, link, site. URL operators means you get a URL related queries within the shortest possible time. In text, also text file related queries, you get it shortest time. In title means title, website means title, get it. Link and site almost same. Now we are moved to GitHub. More and more Google operator are available here. What you can need from choice from here. Okay, we are finding some URL in URL. Suppose for example in URL. In URL means that keyword need to be URL of the document. URL related document Google operator you can search it within the shortest possible time. This format is in URL clone bracket keyword. Keyword means your content which you can search from Google like this. Example. If you find sheet, you replace keyword to sheet, then you can get a result. Okay. Now we are moving to practical for check it. In URL. Okay. In URL, I can write in URL. My Google search engine is auto completed, which I have searched it before. In URL colon double quotation means your content, your category content, index of admin. Okay. Quotation close site. Site means which site you can say here, like UK dot UK. Dot UK means move to UK. Dot PK means move to Pakistan. Dot IN means move to India. Dot CA means move to Canada. If we can enter to hit button, we see that some Canada website shown here and index of admin, who is we are search index of admin. Okay, if you hit here, index.admin all file are available. Okay, .ca is top level domain name. If your country name is Afghanistan, you can set AF. This is available from Wikipedia. .cf Central African Republic. All countries are available here. Switzerland means .ch. You can get it with your need. Okay, URL completed. Then we move to next. In text means a text file, find it from the shortest possible time. This is advanced search. Google operators means a advanced search, nothing else. Is a tools or is a operators. In text, in in text. If we find password, then this is a format to find it. Text file from Google text file. Okay, all password deleted file are shown here. I hope you understand this search operators. Then we can move to next in title. In title means website title, which we can find it very shortly. In title, if we find a config.txt file, this is a format to find it from Google using in title Google operator. Hitting enter button, all config related file are shown from Google. Okay, you can see config.txt. Okay, you can check it, the config.txt file all available here. Next we move to link. What is link? Wait a minute. Link, if we check it, link bbc.com.bd, all bbc.com bd related news we are see here. Okay, this is using link operator. You are need to all news, all paper page are available here if you use link operator like this. All BBC Bangladeshi news are available here if we are use this. If we remove .bd, is shown all BBC news. This is not Bangladesh. Okay, this is link operator. Site means you move to a site very specific. All sites are available here from BBC or Amazon. What's your need? Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.